Syntax of left join. To perform a left join in Microsoft SQL, you use the left join keyword along with the on clause. Here's an example. Select column 1. Column 2 from table 1, left join table 2 on table 1. Column equals table 2. Column. Working example of left join. Imagine we have a table, employees, and another table, departments. Using a left join, we can retrieve all employees and their respective department information, even if they are not assigned to a department. Select employees. Employee name, departments. Department name from employees, left join departments on employees. Department ID equals departments. Department ID. Handling null values in left join. In a left join, if there is no match for a row in the right table, the result will contain null values for the columns of the right table. You can handle these null values using conditional statements or functions like isNull or coalesce.